Raccoons are clever, adaptable creatures known for their masked faces and ringed tails. Native to North America, these nocturnal animals are often found near forests, rivers, and, more recently, urban areas where food is easy to scavenge. Their agility and intelligence make them excellent problem solvers, especially when it comes to finding food, like raiding garbage cans or sneaking into attics. Raccoons are known for their dexterous paws, which work almost like human hands, allowing them to open containers, unscrew jars, and even turn doorknobs if they're determined enough. They have an omnivorous diet, munching on fruits, insects, small animals, and whatever scraps they can find in human neighborhoods. In popular culture, raccoons often get a reputation as mischievous bandits thanks to their black facial markings, but they're actually quite shy and cautious by nature. When threatened, they're not aggressive unless cornered. While they sometimes create challenges for people, they also play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling insect and rodent populations. Overall, raccoons are fascinating animals with unique abilities that have helped them survive and thrive in both the wild and the city.